welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, honey. So today we're gonna do something fun, something I've never really done before. We're gonna do simple polygel. Alright, so we're just gonna use one simple color, but we are going to be using these beautiful angel stickers, and we're going to be adding some clouds, well, attempting to at least. So I've already prepped my Ready Guana hand. I don't want to do anything on my builder gel because I just did my refill, but my Ready Guana hand is all prepped and ready, honey. And like I said, we're just going to do one simple color. We're gonna fly right through it. We're gonna focus mainly on this really pretty design with the angels. All right, so let's get right to it. I did already put base coat on my Ready Guana hand, and I put some stiletto tips as well. So make sure when you put like a base coat, you just want to cure everything for 60 seconds, and then I'll be curing this as well for 60 seconds, but I've already prepped everything, so I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the quick application, and I'll get right back into it. Alright y'all, so after I buff shaped and filed everything, look how crisp they are coming out. There's just a little crisp nails. So crisp. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint some white clouds with this gel that I got from Modelones, and then I'm just going to be using the dotting tool to basically do the clouds. So I think I also got this from Modelones, not too sure. It's my first time doing clouds, so bear with me, but let's see. I'm gonna just like, I don't think they have to be too fancy. I mean, I don't really know. So let's just see what I come up with. Cause right now they're looking a little jank, whatever that would mean. Let's see. So basically what I did was kind of did everything in like a circular motion, kind of like little circles. I mean, it kind of looks harder. It looks harder than it looks, I guess. Yeah, I'm just going like in little circular motions and basically trying to form it as much as I can to make it look like a cloud. I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna go over it again just cause I see that there's like some like missing. You see how like there's like little indentations and stuff like that, and that's just because my dotting tool is like kind of rusty. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna go do it again just a little bit just to cover up like those little blank spots kind of, and then I'm gonna add the cute little stickers that I have and we'll see what we can come up with. But I think this is gonna come out so cute. I might even put embellishments just depending on how everything looks, but we will see how that goes. That's still wet. Also, something that I noticed like with the model ones, these are like very buttery, so if you're gonna use these, like you have to cure them really well, because I used to do like my polygel nails like on a bi-weekly basis, just like to go out and stuff like that, and I would do it basically like my polygel infill and then I would paint my nails on top. So I basically did it like if I was getting like acrylic done, you know, at your local beauty store, your local nail shop, sorry. That's how I would do it, and I noticed that I would have to like basically just like cure it really well, because if not, it just doesn't work out. So be mindful of that. But other than that, these are so buttery. Like, I do not have a problem with these gel pods. They're like so good. I really like how buttery they are. But I'm just gonna go again, like I said, fill the little crevices in. Like, there's some like gaps that are here, and that's just like not cute. So I'm just gonna fill those in. Okay, so I'm just curing this once again, and then we're gonna go in with the stickers. But this is super easy to do. It's fun to do. I got these stickers from the Attitude Shop, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I need to do a look on them. And also my sister wants me to do her nails with the angel stickers, so I figured I'd like practice on a practice hand before I do her nails. But I'm gonna see if she wants me to do what I did on this guy, because I think these came out super cute so far. So let's see. All right, so I'm gonna take out these stickers. Oh my goodness, these are like hella fancy. These are like paint, like stuff that you see like in like in a fancy painting. Oh wow, so pretty. So these are stickers. You don't have to put them in water. You don't have to transfer foil. You don't need to do any of that. So let's start off with the pinky and just like kind of stick these here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is kind of just like do a little bit of embellishments, and I'm gonna do that by just putting a top coat. You can literally use any top coat you like. I have like a bunch right here. I'm gonna just use whatever I have that has more. So I use the thickest top coat and put some on the nail, and then what I do is just like grab my gems or whatever I'm going to be using and just start piling them on.
so that is the final look. Oh my gosh, they came out so cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. I think the stickers in general are kind of dark, right? So maybe in the future I'll do this look again, but under like a lighter color. But other than that, I think they're so cute. I did bedazzle them a little bit on every nail, so they can just like stick out a little more, but I like it. It's so cute. I would wear this. I definitely would do this design on myself for sure. But let me know in the comments down below what y'all think of this nail tutorial, if you would recreate it. What other looks do you want me to do? I love taking suggestions, so just let me know in the comments down below. Thank y'all so much for watching and being a part of the DIY Familia. If you're not a part of the DIY Familia, consider subscribing, as I give content at least 2 to 3 times a week, a new nail video for all of y'all to see, to enjoy, to binge. So just consider subscribing and hitting that thumbs up button, because that really helps out my channel. But y'all, again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the love and support. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.